Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. A lot of you guys asked me how I dried my hydrangeas. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I did. So the first step is to cut off your hydrangeas. You want to cut them towards the end of the season, like in the August or September time frame. So I'm going to cut them kind of low so I have a long stem. So I will link an article down below from the Spruce, basically showing the same exact steps. So the next step is to remove all of the leaves from the hydrangea stems, and I just pull them off like this. And then I also remove the little small leaves around the top, and I also remove the little scraggly hydrangea flowers down towards the bottom. And this is what they look like with all of the leaves off. I happen to cut off 4 stems for my bouquet. And the third step is to fill up a vase of water. And the next thing you're going to want to do is put the hydrangeas in the vase, and you can display them however you would like. And pretty much just kind of forget about them for a little while. You want to let the water slowly evaporate out of the glass, but do not fill it up with any more water. Just let it slowly evaporate, and this will give you beautiful, perfectly dried hydrangeas. So step 5 is just to wait. Just patiently wait, leave them on display. And mine took probably about a month and a half or so to go through this process. This is what they look like once they're all dried. As you can see, the flowers maintained all of their shapes. They didn't get brown or crumble off. And here's what they look like beside each other. You can see the ones that are in the vase still have kind of like that green tone to them. And then the dried ones have more of a muted oatmeal tone, and you can kind of see the pinks in some of the leaves. And that's pretty much how I dried my hydrangeas. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more in the future.